As Saint Lucia prepares for the upcoming Jazz and Arts Festival, the Ministry of Health, Wellness and Nutrition continues to work closely with key stakeholders and local organizing committees around the island to ensure that all health and safety measures are in place for a safe and enjoyable experience. In keeping with the ministry's mandate, we play a fundamental role in ensuring food safety, water quality, provision of adequate sanitation facilities, effective garbage disposal, and waste management systems are in place at the event. Our department continues to work with the food handlers through ongoing food safety trainings, conducting inspections, and verifying that all vendors meet the necessary requirements, including valid health cards and relevant licenses to operate. We are reminding all vendors to play their part in protecting public health, ensure that food is properly stored, thoroughly cooked, and handled in a clean and hygienic manner. Maintain safe food temperatures by keeping hot foods hot and cold foods cold throughout preparation, storage, transportation, and service. Avoid preparing foods long in advance of consumption. In addition, vendors must prevent cross-contamination. Use separate grills for cooking meats and fish products. Use separate utensils and cutting boards for raw foods and ready-to-eat foods. Patrons are encouraged to purchase foods from reputable vendors and to ensure that their foods are served hot or chilled. Also, patrons are asked to avoid purchasing foods that are exposed or out for a long period of time. We encourage patrons to practice regular hand washing before and after eating. These measures are essential in maintaining food safety standards and protecting public health during the festival. Our goal is to safeguard the health of everyone while preserving the vibrant spirit of the festival. Let's work together to keep this season safe for everyone.